Well, welcome to the new factory setup practice area. This area has 7 distinct processes that are extremely important in making a good factory, a new factory set up properly. The first is project management. You have to have project management because you're going to be bringing in machines and people and different kinds of processes, as well as learning how to build the product at the right time and building and everything else. So good project management is critical so everything comes together at the right time. The next is site selection. Where do you put this factory? Do you put it out in a rural area? Maybe you have less skilled people around. Maybe you need good maintenance people. Where are your suppliers at? That's a really critical focus of a new factory selection. The next is the building and layout. What kind of building do you need? Multi-level building, single-level building? Do you need a basement? Do you need places in there for flowing of materials? How do you set up your warehouse? Where do you put everything in the building? Another critical factor to make sure you get it right. Now setting up the process. What machines do you need to buy? What kind of equipment needs to come into this factory? Who do you get it from? What grade level of equipment do you need? Do you need the most expensive? Do you need the least expensive? A lot of automation, little automation. Setting up the entire process as well as the job stations for the workers. Hiring the people. Making sure you get the right people for each job so that your factory launch will occur correctly. Then you have to train these people. And by training, I don't just mean showing them how to do their job. A lot of these people are going to be learning your new corporate culture. They're going to need to understand the product. They're going to need to understand who you are, especially some of your managers that you might be bringing in, dealing with people maybe from another province that might have some other issues and some thinking that's different from what you're used to. Then the most critical overall, the launch itself. Bringing in the materials from the suppliers, making sure that all your equipment's working, the people are working together. Everything's working in a synchronous group to put out the product that you need to put out. This takes a long time to do, or sometimes it can be very complex. But if you do everything right before the launch becomes a much less difficult thing to accomplish.